So today's our topic is UNESCO World Heritage Sites. So UNESCO World Heritage Sites are those sites, वो हेरिटेज साइट्स होती हैं जो कि लीगली प्रोटेक्टेड होती हैं बाय यूनेस्को. These sites are legally protected by UNESCO by culturally, naturally and mixed heritage. मतलब cultural as well as natural. So there are total 40 World Heritage Sites in India. Culturally 32, naturally 7 and mixed only 1. So start with first, which is present in Uttarakhand, Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers. As you can see in map, Uttarakhand is present here. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flower is natural heritage site in India. Second is Himachal Pradesh, Great Himalayan National Park, which is also a natural site. And as you can see in map, this is Great Himalayan National Park, and another is the architectural work of Le Corbusier, which is present in Chandigarh. But this site is cultural site of India. Next is our Delhi. Delhi में हुमायूं टॉम, कुतुब मीनार एंड इट्स मॉन्यूमेंट और रेड फोर्ट प्रेजेंट हैं, जो कि कल्चरल साइट्स हैं. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं कि ये कल्चरल साइट हैं. हम अब आपको मैप में शो करते हैं. दिल्ली प्रेजेंट कुतुब मीनार एज यू कैन सी इन मैप. नॉर्थ ईस्ट साइड प्रेजेंट सिक्किम. सिक्किम इज़ अ कंचनजंगा नेशनल पार्क प्रेजेंट, जो कि हमारे मिक्स्ड हेरिटेज साइट है, जो कि सिर्फ एक है. हमारे इंडिया में सिर्फ एक मिक्स्ड हेरिटेज साइट है जो कि प्रेजेंट है हमारे सिक्किम में, विच इज़ नोन एज कंचनजंगा नेशनल पार्क. देन इन असम काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क एज वेल एज मानस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, विच इज़ अ नेचुरल हेरिटेज साइट present in Assam. In West Bengal, Sundarban National Park, which is also a natural heritage site. As you can see in Bihar, which is present here, Mahabodhi Temple complex at Bodh Gaya, as well as archaeological site of Nalanda, Mahavira at Nalanda site, which is present in Bihar, which is a cultural heritage site in India. Then move forward to Odisha, Sun Temple, Konark Sun Temple, which is cultural heritage site. And as you can see in map, Sun Temple, Odisha is present in there. Come in UP, Agra Fort, Taj Mahal and Fatehpur Sikri is also a cultural site which is present in there. As you can see, Taj Mahal, Agra present in UP. MP, Buddhist monument at Sachi, rock shelter of Bhimbetka and Khajuraho group of monuments, which is present in MP, and it is also a cultural heritage site in India. As you can see in map, this is Khajuraho temple present in MP, Bhimbetka, Sachi Stupa, which is also present in MP. Then move forward to Rajasthan, Hill Fort of Rajasthan, Jaisalmer Fort, Chittorgarh Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Gagraon, Ranthambore and Amber Fort. They all are cultural heritage site of India. And as you see Rajasthan, Koila Dev National Park, Jantar Mantar Jaipur and Jaipur City, Rajasthan is also a cultural site. And as you see that this is marked, highlighted Koila Dev National Park, it is a natural site of UP. As you can see in this page, those marked sites, highlighted part like Koila Dev National Park, Great Himalayan National Park, Nanda Devi, Valley of Flowers, Kaziranga, Manas, Sundarban, they all are natural heritage site, which is only 7, which is written in here. And mixed site is only one which is present Kanchenjunga National Park, Sikkim, which is also highlighted with pink, and natural highlighted with this color, and cultural is not highlighted. It means these all sites are cultural sites which is present in whole India. Then move forward to the map of Rajasthan, like Hill Fort of Rajasthan, Great Himalayan National Park. These all are present. Jantar Mantar of Jaipur, all present in Rajasthan. Then move forward to Peninsular India. Starts from Gujarat, Dholavira, a Harappan city, historic city of Ahmedabad, Champaner, Pavgarh, Archaeological Park, Rani Ki Vav, Queen's Stepwell at Patan. They are all present in Gujarat and they all are cultural sites present in India. As you can see in map, Somnath Temple, Champaner, Pavgarh, and all are present in this map. Then Maharashtra, Ajanta Cave, Ellora Caves, Elephanta Caves, Chhatrapati Shivaji, Victorian Gothic and Art Deco symbols of Mumbai. These all are also a cultural heritage sites in India. As you can see in map, this is Maharashtra, Mumbai, Elephanta Cave, Ellora Cave, Ajanta Cave and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. This is also present, all are present in Maharashtra. Then move forward to Goa, churches and convents of Goa, Karnataka, group of monuments at Pattadakal and group of monuments at Hampi. Karnataka, this Pattadakal present in Karnataka, Hampi present in Karnataka. Then move forward to Telangana, Kakatiya Rudeshwara Ramappa Temple. This is also a cultural heritage site present in India. Tamil Nadu, Great Living Chola Temple and group of monuments at Mahabalipuram. These all are cultural heritage site in India which is also present in this map, like Shore Temple Mahabalipuram, which is present in Tamil Nadu. Last three sites which is Mountain Railway of India, West Bengal में दार्जिलिंग हिमालयन रेलवे है, तमिलनाडु में नीलगिरी माउंटेन रेलवे है एंड हिमाचल प्रदेश में कालका शिमला रेलवे है. As you can see in map, this is Nilgiri railway which is present in Tamil Nadu, and second is Darjeeling Himalayan railway which is present in West Bengal. See this. So this is all set. This video UNESCO World Heritage Site